Hi guys, Jessica here. In today's video, I'm going to be taking the same pictures but using two different lenses. These are the very popular 85 1.4 and then the 50 1.2 lens. So let's see the differences. Alright guys, so how it's going to work is I'm going to take the first shot using the 85 1.4 lens. I'm going to have Amelia stay in that same pose, and then I'm going to take that same shot using the 50 1.2. Again, I'm not going to be moving, so you're going to be able to see the differences in the focal lengths. The first picture that we're going to take is a full body shot. Amelia's already in her pose, so we're going to start with that using the 85. So let's get started. Yeah, that's beautiful. Nice. Don't move. Okay, so we just finished the full body shot. Which focal length did you prefer, Amelia?
85.
Me too.
Yeah.
So, in our
That's
opinion,
the
the
winner.
85 won that round. So let's move on to the portraits. Let's go. So we picked the pose and we're ready to go. You good, Amelia? Okay. So that same pose, yeah. Just stay right there. Don't move. Okay, awesome. So let me show you those. So that's the 50, and then that's 85.
Oh. Okay, they're both kind of winning.
They're-
I think the 50 actually.
The 50?
Yeah.
Yeah, because it kind of shows a little bit more of the scenery.
Yeah.
I do love the 85 though. I think, okay, now we have a tie. We're at a tie right now. Both of them were very good. I think the 85 was definitely a winner in my book for this one because it was such a close portrait.
It was really, really beautiful. But I like the 50 because you can see a little bit more of the background.
Yeah, so as Amelia said, she likes more of the background showing, so we're gonna give 1 point to the 50, 1 point to the 85. It's anybody's game right now. Okay, let's go. When did this turn into like Jeopardy or something?
It's always
a competition. Okay, let's just go with it. Let's roll. So the next shot is going to be a waist up shot. Let's see how this turns out. All right, so the 50 is already on my lens. I'm gonna go ahead with that one first. Let's see how these turn out. Can you see? Yeah, that's perfect. Yep, there it is. Okay, so that is the 85.
Okay.
And then I love how I took 20 pictures of the same pose. On three, say it. 1, 2, 3.
85.
50.
What?
What? Are you serious?
Are you serious? Did you see the same photos? Stop.
Yeah. Is that a jab because I'm blind, like legally blind almost? Because I wear contacts. Is that it? Ever since you got LASIK, you've been different, Amelia. You changed. So for this one, I feel like the 50 really captured a lot of that scenery that makes adds to the picture, adds interest to the picture.
No, I think the 85 looks more mysterious.
And the 85, it looks a little bit on the warmer side too.
Yes.
Did you notice that?
Which is probably why I'm picking it.
So the last photo is going to be a landscape photo. We want to get Amelia in it with her dress. We want to get a little bit more of the scenery. So that's going to be the last picture. Let's get started with the 85. Okay, for this one, I'm going to have to back up a lot. So you're coming with me, guys. Let's go. Let's back it up. The 85, you need to be like a football stadium away to get anything in the frame. But it's beautiful. It's a beautiful lens. Let's go all the way back here. Okay, do I need a speakerphone to commute? You can hear me, right, Amelia? Amelia, can you hear me? Yeah, stay right there. we're all set. I already know which one I like, but I'm not gonna tell Amelia. All right. That's the 85.
Okay, I know which one.
Okay, on 3. 1, 2, 3.
85. Yes!
Honestly,
85 was beautiful. It's beautiful.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
All right, so we just finished the comparison between the 85 1.4 and the 50 1.2. I stayed in the same spot and I tried to use most of the same settings for all of the pictures that you guys just saw. So, you know, between the two, it is hard to choose. I think it just depends on what your style is. I mean, for the portraits, this is such a beautiful, gorgeous lens. The 85, it's beautiful. You can't deny it. But with the 50, it's a little bit more versatile in my opinion. I've had the 50 since I started photography. So definitely that is a lens that I would also recommend. But if you're trying to choose between the two, look through the pictures, see which one you like. And I hope that I helped you guys make a decision, or at least provided you guys with some extra information and some cool examples to look at if you're trying to choose between the two. I would love to thank Amelia for modeling, and I would love to thank you guys for watching. Let me know which lens you guys preferred in this particular photo shoot, and I will see you guys in the next video. There's just a bug on me, but it's okay. We're outside, and this is an awesome photo shoot. I'm so excited, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.